The forest is teaching me a different kind of strength. I used to believe that being strong meant pushing beyond my limits. I used to believe that I need a daily 1 hour asana practice to be a yogi, to prove myself that I was disciplined. But to be honest, that was my ego speaking, asking. So I practiced. I forced myself and I injured my back. So my body told me with a very loud and painful message that we need to rest, like nature does in winter. When I look around me, I only see the silhouettes of the trees. No leaves. The trees grow quietly. They don't rush. The birds sing freely. They don't rush. The moss feels soft, but still powerful. I'm pretty sure these trees around me don't feel guilty that they don't have leaves right now. And for sure they don't compare themselves to the evergreen trees that still have their leaves on all year long. So maybe I don't have to feel guilty when I rest. Maybe rest is part of the cycle. So I'm letting go of pushing. I am becoming the teacher who listens to her body, who honors her cycles. My practice feels like coming home. My classes are meant to bring women calm and comfort in their own bodies. They don't need to be strong. They will be soft with strong foundations. I'm letting go of the masculine way of pushing and forcing. We are forcing ourselves to perform, and that is sad because we are disconnected from the source, from our true essence. And I think aliveness comes from true alignment and not from forcing.